Hey guys, you're on Elimination Channel. Today I'll tell you how to play 500. 500 is another point trick card game that is that has several variations. In the video, I will tell you about the team variation. The game is very similar to card games such as D-Birds. So if you're able to play at least one of them, then it's easy for you to understand 500. So yeah, the game is using a regular, basically, is using a deck of 43 cards from four choices in in a red suit and from five choices in a black suit and also a joker. Usually the black one, well, black one, but it doesn't really matter. So yeah, the rank of non-trump, basically, of basically, sorry for that. The rank of red color non-trump cards: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, King, Ace, Joker. The rank of black color non-trump cards: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, King, Ace, Joker. The rank of red color trump cards: 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Trump, Jack, color Jack, 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 Queen, King, Ace, Joker. The rank of black colored trump cards: 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Trump, Jack, color Jack, Jack, Queen, King, Ace, Joker. So yeah. The amount of players is 4 divided into two teams. Two teams of two players sitting crosswise. So yeah. The the objective is getting at least 500 points. Deal. Each player is getting 10 cards with 3 cards at a time, then 3 cards in the middle, forming basically the buy-in. 4 cards at a time, 3 cards at a time again, and then 10. The deal ends and the betting begins. So yeah. Alright. The rank of suits is clubs, diamonds, hearts, and spades. The Which means that clubs is the lowest suit while spades is the highest. However, the no trump bid is the highest in the bidding. So yeah. Alright. In a no trump round, after putting a jack, the owner must choose one of the suits. Then each opponent must follow the chosen suit, but only for the trick that contains the joker. So yeah. So scoring. One of the teams gets basically gets points based on their completed bid successfully. So a bid of 6 clubs gives 40 points. A bid of 7 clubs gives gives 60 points. Oh, wait, no, 140 points. A bid of 8 clubs gives gives 240 points. The bid of 9 clubs gives 340 points. The bid of 10 clubs gives 440 points. A bid of 6 diamonds gives 60 points. A bid of 7 diamonds gives 160 points. A bid of 8 diamonds gives 280 points. A bid of 9 diamonds gives 380 points. A bid of 10 diamonds gives 480 points. Oh, sorry, 60 points. That applies to other. To that applies to other numbers. But it's decreased by 100 points. So yeah, the basically a bit of 6 hearts gives 80 points. A bit of 7 hearts gives 180 points. A bit of 8 hearts gives 280 points. A bit of 9 hearts gives 380 points. A bit of 10 hearts gives 480 points. A bit of no trump, basically a bit of 6 no trump gives 120 points. A bit of 7 no trump gives 220 points. A bit of 8 no trump gives 320 points. A bit of 9 no trump gives 420 points. And finally, a bit of 10 no trump gives 520 points, which means that a bit of 6 clubs gives the lowest amount of points, while a bit of 10 no trump gives the highest. So yeah, the team that lost in the bidding gets 10 points for each trick in the round. A team will lose points based on their bid if they will fail to get more points, basically to get tricks that at least matches the amount from the bidding. So yeah, the also the team will get 250 points, basically plus 250 points if they will get at least 10 tricks, and their point amount for the bid from the bidding gives less than 250 points. So yeah, the game goes until one of the teams getting at least 500 points. Uh, the team with 500 points wins, while the opposing team loses. So yeah, alright, I told you everything about this game. Besides those differences, 500 is played exactly like similar card games. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the last video. I hope you now know how to play 500. And since I have nothing else to say, I'm ending this video right now. So goodbye, everyone.